Hey guys, quick video today. I'm going to teach you how to direct sow. We're planting peas. It is easy. So you can see my garden is here. We've already tilled the soil. A little closer look, we've put stakes in the ground and attached strings. Here is my husband, Farmer Chip, and he's just following down each string. We've made a little trough in the soil, about maybe 4 inches deep, and you can see he's putting the seeds about 8 inches apart and just going down the line like so. This is a really good activity if you have kids. It's that easy. A 6-year-old can do it. There's my daughter, and it's something she can do very easily. So some of you may be curious as to when you should put your seeds in the ground, and the short answer is it depends. If you're up in Canada, you're going to be planting at a different time than if you're down in South Carolina. So look up your zone. There's a plethora of information on the internet. Short answer, Google it. And I hope that this simple direct sow method helps you. It's so easy. Good luck on your gardens.